Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make budget-friendly egusi soup. Guys, this egusi soup was so delicious. It was budget-friendly and so delicious, and I made it kinda lumpy. So if you love lumpy egusi soup, this is a video you want to watch to the end as I walk you through step by step. Okay, so in a pot you're going to be putting your beef, then you add your chopped onions, then you add your seasoning cube. Okay, so next to go in is your salt. Then you're going to combine everything together and we are going to leave it to steam. Okay, don't add any form of water, just leave it on low heat for about 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, the next thing you're going to do is to add enough water for you to cook the soup. It might need water along the line, but add enough to cook the soup. Okay, so once the soup is cooking, you're going to be adding your smoked fish. So this smoked fish has been washed and deboned. Okay, add it. Then the next thing you're going to do is to cover and leave to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So here is my egusi grounded. So in this egusi, I have crayfish, I have dawa, also known as locus beans, and I added water. So the consistency we want here is a thick and dough-like consistency. Okay, so I added cold water. You can also add hot water, but I added cold water. Okay, so that aside, I'm going to be transferring the protein. Okay, I was boiling into a separate plate because I'm going to be using the frying method. Right, so place your pot, then you pour in some palm oil, then you add in onions. Okay, then you stir fry, okay, for few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes. Then you add combination of fresh pepper and crayfish. I pounded it. Then you're going to stir fry, so this add a kind of flavor. You can also use the boiling method, but I decided to use the frying method because there is this flavor the frying method gives me. Okay, so after that I'm going to be adding the egusi like so into the oil. Make sure that the heat is not too high. Okay, so you're going to be adding the egusi like so into the oil. Then you cover and leave for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to be adding the protein with the stock. Okay, so gently add the protein with the stock. Then you're going to cover. Don't just mix. Okay, so add the combination of crayfish and pepper, then you combine. Guys, you're looking at that lumpy egusi soup. Okay, so that is how to achieve it. As you guys can see, okay, the egusi came out lumpy because of the method I used. Okay, so if you want that lumpy egusi soup, okay, just follow this method and just gently, combine, not to allow the protein, especially the fish, okay, to go into pieces. Then you cover and leave for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is just to also, mix, just gently mix. After that, you add your seasoning cube and salt if need be. Okay, you have to test before you know whether you are going to add seasoning and salt. Okay, then you're going to combine, gently combine. So next you're going to be adding your ugu leaf. So I used ugu leaf. You can use any leaf of choice. You can use spinach. Okay, then I top it up with a bit of oil. This is optional, okay, to bring out the vibrance of the soup, and also it adds a sort of flavor also to the soup. Okay, so gently combine. Okay, so remember I said you can use any vegetable of choice. So this is ugu leaves, also known as fluted pumpkin. So you're going to cover and leave, okay, to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, guys, this is how our soup is looking like. Okay, remove from heat and it's time to serve. Guys, this soup is budget friendly and easy to come up with. Are you seeing how lumpy the egusi came out? Okay, so if you like lumpy egusi soup, just follow this process, okay, and make your delicious budget friendly lumpy egusi soup. So for the full ingredients list, I'm going to be leaving it in the description. Thank you so much and see you guys in my next one. Bye.